Hey everybody, my name is Ethen Ostroff. Today I'm going to be talking about the Decatur PFAS water contamination situation going on down in Alabama, in northern Alabama. Before I get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow along where I will make sure that your future injury case is protected. What is PFAS? PFAS is a very dangerous, almost permanent kind of chemical that once it gets into the water is extremely difficult to get out of the water. The government sort of defines this as a permanent chemical because of how difficult it is to remove from water systems. So what's going on here? Why has this been happening? Where is it coming from? There is a 3M location in Decatur that has been dumping this chemical for decades into the water system as a part of their manufacturing process. Just recently, there was a $100 million settlement that the actual township and the municipality had, basically claiming trespass, which means that the area has gone down in value because the water is contaminated. Why is this important to you? PFAS causes cancer, plain and simple. It causes other issues, but the biggest issue it causes is cancer. So extended exposure to this chemical in your drinking water can cause very specific kinds of cancer. Some is testicular, kidney, and others. Now, there is a class action being formed, but I strongly recommend that you contact a personal injury lawyer who would represent you for your personal injury tort claim. There are several firms that are looking into this. The reason why they're looking into this is because when there's preventable chemicals put into the water and it affects a group of people very similarly, that is a recipe for what's called mass tort. That means that several people are going to file a lawsuit with varying kinds of damages against the same manufacturer. Here it's 3M. Now, I've been in contact with several law firms who are looking into this situation because they believe that this should have been prevented and that people's cancer was preventable. If you are going through something like this, where you have testicular, kidney, or any kind of cancer, and you grew up in the Decatur area and you think that this situation might have been preventable, click below where I will make sure to get one of my representatives on the phone with you to answer your questions to see whether you have a case. I'm so sorry if your family's going through something like this. It's a horrible circumstance, and it could have been prevented, which is why law firms are taking this so seriously. If you have any questions, feel free to click below. There may be another video about another PFAS situation that I'm going to release soon going on in Pennsylvania. But if you have any questions, sorry about what's going on, you may have a case if you have cancer or some other type of issue from drinking the water in this area. Thanks so much.